pineapple barbecue pork skewers. So good, so tender, juicy. Let's get started. Cut pork ribs into 1-inch thick. Cut into half. Next, I marinate with 1/8 cup apple cider vinegar, half cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 lemon. Chop onions and chop garlics. Anyway, I marinated this for 3 days. Marinating longer make the meat more tender and add more flavor. Soak sticks for 30 minutes to prevent burning and keep it in fridge until ready to use them. Here's the finished product. Next, wrap with plastic wrap to make sure to room temperature before grilling time.
What's that bruise from?
That's my
Is he
bird.
beating you up?
Yeah. It's grill time. Light up the grill.
That was a deer I found alongside the road the other day.
Okay.
It was still kicking a little bit, so I figured it's fresh.
Well,
I brought it on home and chopped a little this off, a little that off, and I'll be damned. A little bit of Lori seasoning and salt, pepper. that one's getting hot.
Them are gonna get hot.
Yeah.
No. It's not hot, huh? That's really good, JT. You're licking your finger.
Get out of there.
They're
Get
gonna
out of
burn.
there.
They're gonna burn. You're gonna burn the.
Are you cooking or am I?
Yeah, we're both cooking.
Are you cooking?
Yeah, you go cook.
All right.
All right.
Then don't put your fingers in my food. This is all done.
And the sauce you got there,
Yep.
something Vivian made?
Yeah,
Well,
homemade.
I sure as fuck didn't make it.
No, I didn't see you bring it along.
No, exactly.
You just do it, okay?
All right.
Right here.
No, you forgot that one right there. See?
Right.
There's none on it.
Right here, right here. Right
Vivian.
here.
Vivian, relax.
Okay. Told you.
What do you mean you told me?
See?
I want that one.
That one's done. That one's really done.
Yep. All right, cameras, we're rolling. Here we go.
Vivian, put it right down here by your tits.
Yeah, lower her down a little bit so we can see your cleavage.
That, yeah.
There you go. That's a little better.